Hello, welcome back to this channel. Nasa Old Rugged Cross channel ka ulit. And may isi-share lang ako sa'yo. Madalas tayong mag-complain. Ang dami nating complain sa buhay. Ang dami nating ayaw sa buhay. But the Lord says, do not complain. Stop complaining. Especially coming out of your mouth. Because if you complain, you are just telling the Lord that He cannot do anything about your problems. Numbers chapter 21, they start complaining and the Lord sent snakes to bite on them and they all died. So stop complaining from now on, because if you complain, you are insulting the Lord that He cannot do anything about your situation. Okay? Maybe you could just think of something like, ano kaya ang pinaplano ni Lord sa akin? Ano kaya ang mga solusyon na magbibigay sa solusyon sa problema kong ito? Alam ko ibibigay niya ito sa tamang panahon. All I have to do is to wait, and be patient. The Lord will always be there for you and for us. Maraming salamat po and good day to each and everyone. And welcome again dito sa The Old Rugged Cross channel. Ingat kapatid.